Hello everyone, I'm Leha. Let's talking about minimalism, buying less to create space for the earth. I believe we should embrace minimalism not just a trend, but as a vital responsibility to our planet. We live in a world that constantly tells us that happiness is just one more purchase away. We are conditioned to believe that more is always better. However, the reality is that our obsession with consuming is suffocating the very earth that sustains us. By choosing to buy less, we aren't just cleaning out our closet, we are giving the environment a chance to birth. Because every single object we own has an environmental price tag disguised for a buying the number on the receipt. A very product requires raw material stripped for the earth, energy for manufacturing, and fuel for global shipping. When we overconsume, we accelerate differentiation, increase carbon emission, and create the mountain of waste that our ecosystem can no longer manage. Minimalist is the ultimate form of conservation because the most sustainable product is the one you never bought in the first place. For example, let's look at the fast fashion industry. Many of us buy cheap clothes, wear them a few times, and then discard them. This cycle uses thousands of liters of water for a single treat and result in tons of textile waste ending up in landfills or polluting ocean with microplastic. By choosing a minimalist approach, investing in a few high quality, long lasting items instead of 20 disposable ones, we dramatically reduce our footprint. Other example is our daily gadget. Instead of upgrading to the newest phone every year, keeping our current device longer reduces the toxic mining of rare earth mineral. These small, intentional choices collectively stop the cycle of destruction. Therefore, let's redefine what it means to be successful and satisfied. Let's shift our focus from having to being. Before you click buy or hit to the checkout line, ask yourself if that item is a necessity or just a temporary distraction. Every time we say no to an unnecessary purchase, we say yes is cleaner air, greener forest, and a more stable climate. Let's choose a life of simplicity so that our planet can have a future of plenty. Thank you.